Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to knit this beautiful pattern which is perfect for cardigan and a scarf. For this design you need to cast multiples of 6 and plus 3 extra stitches. It's a 12 row pattern. I casted 21 stitches which consist of 3 times 6 plus 3 stitches. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. For the first row, which is the front side, slip the first stitch and knit all the stitches. For the second row, which is the back side, slip the first stitch and purl all and knit the last stitch. In row 3, which is the front side, slip the first stitch, then knit 3, yarn over, then knit 2 together, then knit 4, and repeat. Yarn over, then knit 2 together, then knit 4, and repeat. Yarn over, then knit 2 together, and knit the last stitch. In row 4, which is the back side, slip the first stitch, purl all the stitches, but knit the last stitch. And knit the last stitch. In row 5, which is the front side, slip the first stitch, knit 1, displace and knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, then repeat. Knit 1, displace and knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, and again repeat. And knit the last stitch. In row 6, which is the back side, slip the first stitch, purl all and knit the last stitch. Knit the last stitch. In row 7, which is the front side, repeat row 1, slip the first stitch and knit the rest. In row 8, which is the back side, slip the first stitch and purl all but knit the last stitch. Knit the last stitch. In row 9, which is the front side, repeat row 3 with 3 shifts. Slip the first stitch and knit 6. Yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 4, then repeat, yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 4, and knit 1, knit the last stitch. In row 10, which is the back side, slip the first stitch, purl all, knit the last stitch. In row 11, which is the front side, repeat row 5 with 3 shifts. Slip the first stitch, knit 4, displace and knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, then repeat, knit 1, displace and knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, and knit 4, knit the last stitch. In row 12, which is the back side, slip the first stitch, purl all, knit the last stitch. Knit the last stitch. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This pattern is perfect for cardigan and a scarf. Don't forget to like and subscribe.